Welcome. If you're getting too many random friend requests on Discord and want to take control of who can connect with you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to prevent friend requests from everyone on Discord. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. Whether you're on your phone or tablet, the process is super simple and only takes a minute. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now, scroll down the settings menu until you see an option called Content and Social. Tap on that. This section is where Discord keeps all the controls for your social interactions, including who can send you friend requests. Inside the Content and Social section, you'll see a part labeled Friend Requests. Here, Discord gives you a few different options for who can send you requests. By default, the Everyone option might be checked, which means anyone can try to add you as a friend, even people you don't know. To stop random people from sending you friend requests, simply uncheck the Everyone option. This small change will make a big difference. Now, only people who share a server with you, or have your username, will be able to send you friend requests depending on the other settings you choose. And that's it. You've just made your Discord account more private and secure in just a few easy steps. No more unwanted friend requests from strangers. Now you can focus on chatting with the people you actually care about. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your safer, quieter Discord experience.